phone.
For what?
To say you're tired of having
Yeah, I actually am.
it. Okay. Why is this not working?
You don't need to drive in the mode from 9. You don't need to drive and change the radio, but I don't give a shit, cause my name look like Harry-O, Potter-O.
It's definitely a cloudy ass day.
Happy birthday!
I got scared!
For real? You pussy. Man, stop changing the radio and driving.
I'm gonna do what I want.
Well, if we get into a car accident, we're gonna be doing what we
How
want.
are we gonna
at
get
the
into a
hospital.
car accident? We got Mercedes-Benz in front. He'll give me a new car. Fuck.
I think I've gotten rid of my
That's changing the radio and driving. Stop bossing people around. You don't know my life.
Get a $10 office
You're
coupon
retarded.
gift card free when you buy $59 worth of HP
Smart.
Office.
It's too late to apologize.
Bands will make her day. Bands will make her day. All these G's poppin', I'm just poppin', bang. Bands will make her day. Bands will make her day. These G's clap, let's get it, and they ain't using hands. Short hair like Neil Long. Lose one, she don't need a loan. Start twerking when she hear a song. Strip up all her income. We get trippin' and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that air up in my hands.